Where the Rue de la Platinerie opens onto the D643, on the hillside, along the Crusnes, the sound of brush cutters and chainsaws, the sounds of trucks and tractors. All this is caused by the intense activity of a summer job site initiated by the municipality of Longuyon. About 15 young locals, temporarily hired by the town hall, are taking part in a major cleaning and clearing campaign around a remnant of a chimney dating from the city's industrial era. What they did not know was that the fruit of their efforts would lead to the discovery of a rich local heritage, dating back to the time when Longuyon was famous for its gun barrel industry. In this jungle, through the brush worthy of a virgin forest, a number of tunnels and underground chambers have just reappeared, which the vegetation, for ages, had concealed from the gaze of walkers on the site. Patiently, branches after branches, brush after brush, the young people clear the ground. This brings the discovery of new walls of the old facilities. It is a long job of clearing the land and removing the vegetation previously cut by two deputies from the town hall, Claude Lambert and Janny Hangley. The latter did not hesitate to wet the shirt by handling chainsaws and brush cutters. Because here, for safety reasons, there is no question of entrusting such thermal vehicles to summer jobs. The inside of the blast furnace chimney was cleaned and cubic meters of rubble were taken out. The chimney was filled with it to a height of about 1.50 meter. With their tractor and their van, the technical services of the city gradually evacuate the mountains of brush torn from the hill. To bring this Longuyonaise heritage back to light, it will still take a lot of time and sweat. If the location of this site is not a personal discovery in itself, it has been a long time since vegetation took over the remains of the factory, causing it to disappear little by little from local memory. Other discoveries will certainly come as the work progresses.
Please, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.